If you're wondering how to export invoices from Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to export your invoices, making your business operations smoother and more efficient. Housecall Pro is an incredible tool for managing your business, and understanding how to pull detailed invoice reports is a crucial part of staying on top of your finances. Let's dive right into the process. First off, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, navigate to the Invoices tab. This is where all your invoicing data lives. If you're new to Housecall Pro, don't worry. It's designed to be intuitive, so finding what you need is easy. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll see a list of all your past invoices. From here, you can filter your results based on date, customer, status, or job. This is important because filtering helps you focus on the invoices you need for a particular period or client. Now, to actually export those invoices, look for the Export button. You'll typically find this button at the top right corner of the Invoices list. Click it, and Housecall Pro will give you the option to export in a CSV format, which is perfect for quick analysis in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. The beauty of Housecall Pro is how it streamlines these steps for you. You don't have to deal with complicated export settings. Once you click the Export button, the system will generate a CSV file with all the invoice details you've selected. You'll be able to download this file directly to your computer. From there, you can open it and easily view or manipulate the data as needed. If you're looking for something a little more customized, Housecall Pro also offers integration with other software tools that may provide additional exporting options. But for most users, the standard CSV export is quick and effective for most invoicing needs. If you're new to Housecall Pro and feeling overwhelmed by all its features, don't worry. It's an incredibly powerful tool, and once you start using it, you'll see how it simplifies your workflow. Whether you're managing invoices, scheduling jobs, or communicating with clients, Housecall Pro has you covered. Before you go, I have something special for you. You can actually use Housecall Pro for free. And even better, if you click the first link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial. This will give you the chance to fully explore all the features and see how they can streamline your business operations without any risk. So, in summary, to export invoices from Housecall Pro, simply log in, go to the Invoices tab, use the filters to find the invoices you need, and hit the Export button. It's that simple. Don't forget, your exclusive extended free trial is waiting for you. Check the first link below to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.